Hello guys, you want to make money online doing freelancing. So if you are really serious about doing freelancing, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you a very important and really working secret, okay, to get more clients if you are a freelancer. So this is going to be a really important video. So watch this video till the end so you can understand each and everything which I'm going to tell in this video to you for your benefit and for you to make more money online. So now let's jump into the content. This is the website known as Funnel Rolodex. I have already created some videos on this website. Now what is the thing about this website is that this is a particularly new website, okay, a new freelancing website, and there are not much clients on this website who are providing services. So if you are a freelancer and you do provide any of the services related to funnel strategy for the funnel building, graphic design, copywriting, music video, animation, advertising, etc., whatever service you provide, just go on this website and create a gig, because this is a relatively new website and everyone knows from the experience of Fiverr, Upwork, that the first one gets the most number of clients in this websites. Okay, so just be the first one to go and join this website so that you can start earning as soon as possible with freelancing. Okay, so whatever service you provide, just go over here. Now today's video is going to be for someone who are doing freelancing. Okay, I'm going to reveal a trick. Okay, this trick is really helpful if you want to make money, okay, doing freelancing. Okay, so here I have written one of the statement, which is provide upfront value. Okay, this is the really important statement which you must stick inside your mind if you want to earn money as a freelancer. Okay, so now to explain this concept, I'm gonna tell you that once a guy was going for some work, okay, but he wasn't able to find any of the work. So what he went home to home and asked people that could he cut the grass at the home, so the people refused to do so. And at last what he did was he just went there, and there was a big lawn over there, okay, someone's home, and what he did is he cleaned the grass of that home without any money. Okay, the owner was out, and after some time when he cleaned up the grass, the owner came in and the owner asked, who has cleaned my grass? Then that grass was cleaned by that guy. Okay, and the owner paid him $100 for doing so. Okay, so this is really very good because he provided upfront value. That's the reason why that guy earned money. Okay, so this is what you have to provide. Okay, if you are doing any of the thing, provide your testimonials. Okay, now if you are doing video animation, what you can do is just create your own video, editing videos of some of your clients, and provide those testimonials to the new client which you are going to approach. Okay, you have to provide. If you are doing advertising, just create a campaign and just show the client that this is the campaign, and you can show that this campaign can reach more people. Okay, so if you really are interested in this, then you can approach me. Okay, so this is really important, and that's how you make money online. Okay, this is one of the very important thing, to provide value upfront if you are really going to make money with freelancing as a marketing agent or as a marketing agency. If you are going to plan in 2020, you have to provide upfront value. All you have to do is just create content regarding whatever the thing you are doing. You can create content on Facebook, on YouTube, and any other source, Instagram, etc. But you need to create some content so that you can provide some upfront value. And if you are able to provide some upfront value, then you are really going to make real good money. Why I am creating this videos? I am creating this videos because this videos provide you upfront value, and in the future if I recommend something, okay, in this channel, then you are definitely going to be interested or going to check out that product, because you know that I am the guy who provides upfront value to you, and that's why you trust me. I have built a relationship, and you are more likely to buy the product recommended by me. And that's what you should do if you really want to make money doing freelancing or any other business which you are going to do in 2020. Then this is real good stuff, something really professional people just don't share with you. They don't share that if you really want to recruit a client, there's a 99% chance that if you provide upfront value, the client is going to say yes. And that's the most important thing which you require. Okay, so just stick with this. Provide upfront value as much as possible. No matter whatever the category you are going to select, go and provide upfront value in front of your client. Just do your work, create your own video doing some work and just show to your client that I am particularly doing this stuff. Okay, just show him that you are doing the work. No matter if you have 0 clients, just you need to know and show how you are working. Okay, and that's what the client requires. The client requires upfront value, and if he gets upfront value, he is definitely going to approach you and provide you business. So this is really important stuff. You can make millions of dollars doing this. This is 100% tried and trusted, walk-in proven strategy which the rarest of the rare also may not share with you. Many of the freelancers are using the strategies but not sharing with you people because they don't want you to make more money. But I am here on this channel, just I want to provide you with all the secrets which we as affiliate marketers, as freelancers do use. And this is really awesome, and this is really important thing which you should learn. And what I'm going to share to you is that just visit my channel Moneymaker001. You will also find a ton of videos about affiliate marketing, make money online business, and I post videos here every single day. So if you are really interested in making money online, doing this some stuff, then just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload this kinds of awesome money making videos about strategy which will really make you some real good money. So now we will meet in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.